Hello guys and welcome back to another movie review. Oh my god! For this week, I let you guys decide which movie I should review. And I can tell you, this week we're reviewing hot garbage. Fucking garbage. Okay, this is a different kind of movie. So, to just give you an understanding of what we're going to be going through, here's what happens in the first 20 minutes of the movie.
Rajesh, my wife. Baby.
Jesus fucking Christ. I love how he just fell down 7 stories of building and he just hopped onto the floor and he's like, my wife, my wife. Now that all of us are on the same wavelength, let's start with this beautiful movie review. To give you guys a sense and taste of how these characters are in the movie, let's just go through this scene.
उन बेशर्म लोगों में से हो जिनके दिल में किसी के लिए भी इज्जत नहीं।
इज्जत? सबकी इज्जत करेंगे तो लूटेंगे किसकी?
Let's wait a moment and really just take in what just happened.
इन दोनों ने आज गर्ल्स हॉस्टल में घुसकर एक लड़की की इज्जत लूटने की कोशिश की। अगर मैं इस कॉलेज का एक स्टूडेंट नहीं होता तो इन्हें पुलिस के हवाले कर देता।
Wait, that's illegal.
Throw them behind the bars. इनको पुलिस की हिरासत में दे दो। हमसे भूल हो गई। हमारा करियर स्पॉइल हो जाएगा सर। हम होश खो बैठे थे सर। मगर इंसानियत के खातिर हम हाथ जोड़ते हैं। हमें माफ कर दो प्लीज।
इंसान की पहली गलती तो भगवान भी माफ कर देता है। प्लीज फॉरगिव अस।
कम ऑन यार दिव्या, माफ कर दे। गलती किसी से भी हो सकती है।
दिव्या, दिव्या प्लीज इन लोगों को माफ कर दो।
मैं एक जोक सुनाता हूँ और अगर दिव्या ने मुस्कुरा दिया तो समझो तुमको माफी हो गई, ठीक है?
अच्छा दिव्या, मैं कॉइन फ्लिप करूंगा। अगर कॉइन का हेड हो गया तो तुम फॉरगिव करना। हे दिव्या, नॉक नॉक।
कौन है?
तुम्हारा रेपिस्ट, माफ कर दो।
What the fuck is this? A you laugh, you lose challenge? Now that you guys have gotten a little taste of the morality of the characters, let's get into the plot of the movie. How the fuck do I explain this? So Snake Boy and Forgive Them Girl are lovers from a past life where they were snakes.
हमें माफ कर दीजिए।
They really like dancing. Like they're really in love. So now Forgive Them Girl dies and Snake Boy thinks that it's because of the friends. Remember the friends?
मैं एक जोक सुनाता हूँ।
And the rest of the movie is just Snake Boy killing all the friends. Simple enough. Remember that scene we just saw a minute ago? Snake Guy blowing everyone away? Guess what happens a minute after that scene?
अरे वो एक बुरा सपना था। It's over. Everything is over now. It's celebration time now. मैंने एक छोटी सी पार्टी रखी अपने फार्म हाउस पर।
Forget about it, guys, you know? Yesterday's history, tomorrow's a mystery, but today's a present. That's why they call it a gift, innit? No, wait. By the way, party at my farmhouse, 7 p.m. Be there or be square. Nice farmhouse.
A few minutes later.
मैं एक जोक सुनाता हूँ।
Now, almost having half their friend group dead, they finally come to the conclusion
हम लोग सब के सब मारे जाएंगे Everyone will be killed.
After this, the principal comes and he's like, yo, I think I can call her from the dead to figure out why she sent her minion snake guy to kill all of you. But that leads to the most beautiful scene.
जहां भी हो चली आओ दिव्या, आ जाओ दिव्या, आओ, आओ दिव्या, आओ, आ जाओ दिव्या.
Hey, Divya girl, bad girl, come here, come on, baggy.
Divya comes and everyone's just trying to ask her, yo, Divya, what's up, man? Why are you trying to kill all of us? And she's like, yo, man, you guys are like bad and shit, and you guys are the reason I kind of like died. So I kind of think you guys are responsible for my death. So in the middle of her explaining why she's killing all of them, Akshay happens.
को हम एक एक करके तड़पा तड़पा के मारेंगे.
Now you go to hell.
आत्मा क्या गोली से मरती है?
Why is nobody saying anything? Akshay is in a school campus shooting up a place, and everyone's just like, that Akshay, you know, fucking Akshay with his antics again. Akshay, God. The movie depicts love in such a beautiful manner. Like, it really makes you ask yourself, what would you do for love? Think about it, innit? Think about it.
बचाओ बचाओ मेम साहब डूब रही है.
अरे रख में डूब रही है. अरे पूजा यार.
जब तुम तैर सकती थी तो फिर ये डूबने का नाटक क्यों किया?
ये देखने के लिए कि अगर मैं पानी में डूब रही हूँ तो तुम मुझे बचाने के लिए कूदोगे या नहीं.
मैं पानी में कैसे कूद सकता था? मुझे तो तैरना ही नहीं आता.
तैरना तो प्रेम को भी नहीं आता, लेकिन इसने मेरी जान बचाने के लिए अपनी जान की परवाह नहीं की.
How is it the other guy's fault that the first guy is such a simp he'd die for you? Why you jump in river when you can't swim? What, love ke liye anything now? Anything for love nowadays, huh? Oh, love me this, die for me. Love me this, come for me. No. Not doing this shit no more. Stop. Get some help. The thing that kind of hurts about this movie is that they're not even trying. Like, they really aren't even fucking trying. There's like one rule in boxing, punching, and they couldn't do that either. The flying kick, man! Plot holes can be understood as the gap or inconsistency in a storyline that goes against the flow or logic established by the story's plot. This is where the movie outsmarts everyone. By having no cohesive logic to begin with, how can you have plot holes?
मैं मार दूंगा.
मुझे बचा लो भैया, मुझे बचा लो भैया.
तो वहीं रहना, बस मैं आ रहा हूँ. अभी फ्लाइट पकड़ कर अभी आ रहा हूँ. मैं कुछ ही घंटे में पहुंच जाऊंगा. तो हिलना मत वहां से.
15 minutes later.
भैया, अच्छा भैया, आप आ गए. Thank God.
So he's in London and his brother's in India, and his brother took 25 minutes to reach him. Everybody likes a little action, right? You like action, like a little action here, a little. Of course he can walk on water. Oh, he's still alive. Never mind. Yeah, he's dead now. He's definitely dead now. What the fuck? Akshay, die, man.
Sir.
अतुल, my boy, क्या हुआ तुम्हें? What happened?
बचाओ बचाओ.
Wait. So you're telling me Akshay walked back to college to meet his sir to eventually then die in his arms After all of that, yeah, cool. Fair enough. Okay, I will only tell you one thing about this clip. Okay, this is the actual last battle, and London guy against Snake Boy. London guy is losing. Okay, keep that in mind and continue. Alright guys, that'll be done from me for this movie review. Woo! Damn. Woo. Fucking all the gods coming together. What a stupid concept. Hello? Come in. Who is it?